Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching my channel, subscribing and liking. Just want to show my E30, my dirty 30. Haven't washed this guy in some time. I think 3 months. I don't drive this one as my daily, so it doesn't get as clean. I'm sorry, Bimmer fans, but I'm enjoying my truck by the way. I got a new product that I've been messing with. I used this Wolfgang polish before and it works great, but I decided to use this detailer deal for the Shine Kenotek. Got it through Amazon. Link is going to be on the bottom, by the way, if you have any interest in it. But this stuff, it goes on nice and smooth. It doesn't haze. I want to demonstrate it on this car. As you can see, she is filthy. That's why I call her the dirty 30. I mean, this car dirty. So I'm gonna clean her up today. Try to do it Christmas Day, but I had 4 cars and this 5th car I guess got worn out. The sun went down, so like I said, it hasn't been driven in a while. It is dirty. So washing this guy, this truck went off-road. There's a video coming on it, just to let you know. If you guys are into tacos or trucks or off-roading, that's what that one's for. So washing both of them. It's just washed, nothing sprayed on it. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty clean, just washed. So it's kind of like, what are we doing this for? But I think one of my tests, usually it was slick. Let's see if it usually has this slide test. So anyways, let's go and spray some of this stuff on. So let's see. Let's spray it on this third here. And it wipes on really easy. Wipes off. Wipes on, wipes off. It's got some nano something. Nano molecular film. We'll bring it on. It's got this haze that's kind of have to dry out a little bit. We gotta put on another spray. Get a little even. This is a single stage paint, by the way. So single stage paint. It doesn't have a clear coat. Alright, let's see. There's a slide. Can we make it slide? A little bit. Oop. Oh, actually did. Let me try that again. Yep. So you can tell it adds a shine. There's a slid. This part here, I did not shine it. See? It's not sliding much. So this is shiny. Adds a coat for protectant. She's all washed up. Ready for the new year. Dirty 30 is not dirty. Just dirty minded. But not dirty outside. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out Amazon, my link on the description if you're interested in this stuff. I really like it.
Another one.